My name is Stan, and I'm the head of SEO at JetOctopus. Today we're going to talk about the internal linking and the website structure. On big e-commerce websites, Google crawls only 40 to 70% of all the pages. So the rest just sits there invisible, and the fix is usually just a better internal linking structure. With our AI-powered internal linker, we've seen up to 30% more efficient crawl budget usage and better indexation, not only with Google, but with AI bots too. So today I'm showing you how it works, how it finds your weakest pages and fixes them at scale automatically. Before we get into the tool, here's why this matters. So the 4 things. First, better crawl efficiency. So search and AI crawlers actually find and index your pages much faster and better. Second is better user experience, easier navigation and lower bounce rates, of course. Third, stronger page authority, because link equity flows from your best pages to the ones that actually need it. And the last one is better topical relevance, so that search engines understand how your content is siloed. Here is where the most big websites lose this opportunity. So here are a couple of patterns that show up again and again on big sites. The first one is, of course, the deep website structure. As you can see, a lot of pages are more than 5 or 6 clicks away from the home page, while the money-making pages are actually very close to your home page, and that's another challenge, to keep them really close and crawled all the time. Third one is the pagination, as one of the examples of very deep website structure where pagination numbers can go more than 100. And the last one is the orphan pages. As you can see, Googlebot actually rarely crawl those kind of pages, so they almost never get indexed and ranked. One of the results for all 4 is pages stuck at crawled, currently not indexed in Google Search Console. And our AI internal linker is pulling double duty today. It's a crawl budget tool for both search engines and AI crawlers. So how does the tool work? First, you need to choose the pages that have a small amount of internal links, or that are rarely visited by Googlebot or any AI bot, or pages that have a small amount of organic impressions, and you just need to simply send them to the internal linking tool. Just name your internal linking schema the way you want it and give it a go. Now, as a second step, you'll need to decide if you want to find the donors for all those pages that need internal links, or you'd like to create internal linking just among those pages. Your goal here is to pull up the losers to the winners that are crawled and ranked much better. After you've chosen the acceptors and the donors, you need to launch your AI crawl. This crawl is needed to calculate the cosine similarity vectors for all the pages, to understand their topic and further link together only the pages which are close by meaning. After the AI crawl is ready, play around a little bit with the formula configurations. Set how many you want to place on donor pages and how many links each acceptor page should get. Set the matching fields. One of them could be a breadcrumb or an element in your schema to silo down the internal links in the schema. Next is AI similarity threshold. This sets how similar 2 pages need to be content-wise. Standard is somewhere between 0.5 0.7. So the higher the number is, the more similar pages will get the links between them. Next one is generating anchors for your links. We can do that from the titles or H1s on the pages, and additionally you can also import your own custom list of anchors, or even mix it up together with the generated ones. After you're done with the anchors, you just click the button to generate your schema, and after it's going to be generated, you'll get the diagnostics report of how many acceptor pages actually got the set amount of links. You can further tune the AI similarity threshold or the quantity of links on donor pages to have as many links to acceptor pages as possible. Once you're happy with the result, you've got 2 options. So first one is to export all your internal linking schema with a CSV file, or you can even push it straight through the internal linker API. The only thing needed from your team now is to create the internal linking component where the links from the schema will appear. Once the schema is set right here below, you'll get the overview of Googlebot visits to both donor and acceptors of the pages, as well as the dynamics of organic impressions. And the numbers back this up. Just check out the first result. So 150% increase to acceptor pages and 9 times crawling increase to donor pages on a travel catalog website. 200% increase in crawling for both acceptor and donor page list with 15% organic impression growth following. 200% crawling increase again to both page types on a multi-million pages e-commerce website. And the last one is a 25 times increase in crawling for acceptor pages and the donor pages on a ticket selling platform. One thing to be clear about, so this isn't a replacement for your existing internal linking. It is an AI-powered enhancement on top of it. And because it runs continuously, the workflow doesn't really end. Deploy, wait a week or two, check your crawl budget and indexation, refine, and do it again. AI Internal Linker turns your internal linking from a guessing game into a data-driven AI-meshed process built for both Google and AI crawlers. And if you want to see how this looks like on your website, get in touch and book a call with us. Thanks for watching.